Boil the chicken liver with butter in carbonated water for 20 minutes. Cut the liver into small pieces and put it in a bowl. Crack 5 eggs into the bowl. Add finely chopped green onion. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix and pour over the liver. Peel an onion. Finely chop the onion and sauté it in a pan. Peel a carrot and grate it. Put it in the pan. Add a red bell pepper, seeded and cut into small cubes. Mushrooms thinly sliced. Season with salt and black pepper. Put the mixture in the bowl. Add flour and mix well. Pour the mixture into the pan with vegetable oil. Fry covered for 15 minutes. Sprinkle the tart with grated semi-hard cheese. Fry for another 7 minutes. The chicken liver turned out juicy and soft.